Happy Saturday, everybody. It is March, what's the date? 23rd? 24th. I don't know, but it's Saturday and I am going to take you guys along with me to my lash lift appointment. I have never done a lash lift. I've never done lash extensions or anything like that. What? I'm sitting in the garage and I'm filming and Matt just came out. But I have never done anything like that before. So I'm on my way to Freshair Salon in Fayetteville, Arkansas to see Ashley there, and she is going to do my lash lift. So I have to be there in about 20 minutes, so hopefully I get there in time. Okay, and also these are my lashes before, if it can focus. So I have not curled my lashes. I have no eye makeup on. These are my natural lashes, so we will see what they look like afterwards. Okay, see y'all there. I am 2 days post lash lift, 48 hours post lash lift. I'm loving this post lash lift look. I think that my eyes look bigger. I think that I look more awake. Today I'm wearing mascara. I actually put on mascara yesterday after the 24-hour mark. For the first 24 hours, since essentially you are perming your lashes to create the curl in your lash, you need to let your lashes just kind of sit, relax, you know, take in the products that were just put on your lashes to create that curl. So for the first 24 hours post lash lift, don't wear any eye makeup, no mascara. You don't want to put any like eye makeup remover on your lashes because this can deplete the curl. If you're looking to do a procedure, or not really a procedure, but a cosmetic appointment, either eyelash extensions or a lash lift, and you're deciding between the two, I think a lash lift going into the summertime is a great option because if y'all watch my Instagram story, I said that Ashley, the girl who did my lashes, includes a tint with her lash lift appointment. So after she lifts your lashes, she puts a tint on your lashes so that they are darker. Looks like you're wearing mascara, but you're not. It's just a tint. I also think a lash lift is a great alternative as opposed to eyelash extensions. They are such low maintenance compared to eyelash extensions. You don't have to go in every 2 weeks to fill your lashes. They last for 6 weeks. A lash lift lasts the lifespan of your lashes. So you're not having to go back in every 2 weeks, make an appointment to fill your lashes. The curl lasts for 6 weeks. So for 6 weeks as opposed to every 2 weeks, your lashes will be fuller, curled, appear longer. So that is another plus to a lash lift as opposed to eyelash extensions. If you are going back between the two, is that a lash lift is less maintenance than eyelash extensions. The lash lift appointment itself lasts about 45 minutes to an hour. So it's about 10 minutes to prep your lashes. So she first will separate my top lashes from my bottom lashes, and you've probably seen the pictures, or actually I showed y'all in the video where she glues my top lashes to a roller on my eye. And so the first 10 minutes is used for prep. And then the next 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick your lashes are, is the perming process. So your lashes are essentially going through a perm for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the thickness of your lashes. And then the last 10 to 20 minutes is the neutralizer. And that's what is making your lashes feel fuller and bigger. Oh, and then after that, she tints your lashes, and that only has to stay on your lashes for like 2 minutes. And that is the process of a lash lift. I would highly, highly recommend a lash lift, especially with Ashley at Freshair Salon in Fayetteville, Arkansas. She's awesome. She's the nicest person. She's so cool. I will link all of her information down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.